morning students, this is Kesar Bhavi, engaged in mathematics class from Waghdevi College. So today I am going to teach you vector algebra for PUC 2 class. As you are already aware of vector algebra, in that chapter what all we studied till now? We studied what is vector, what is unit vector, and few operations like dot product, scalar product, multiplying scalar quantity with the vector, and what is position vector we studied, and with that how to find out the points are being collinear, what are types of vectors we studied. So here few more examples I have considered to make you aware of few more new simplifications kind in vector. Okay. So the question is, you will be given 3 points, and if you are asked to find these 3 are the vertices of the right angle triangle. We already have taken one question in the same concept, proving it's a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means here prove that vector A, vector B and vector C. So let me write what all given, the vectors B 2i minus j plus k, C is equal to I minus 3j minus 5k. These 3 respectively, this is question, respectively form the vertices of right angled triangle. So what are the properties of right angled triangle? As you know, if this is right angle, it's a right angled triangle. Opposite side of the right angle, it will be like a hypotenuse, and the rest of the 2 sides you can take anything like this is adjacent or this one is opposite, if this is our theta. Okay, adjacent side also we can say. So suppose A, B and C. In this case, right angle triangle, what the property it has to be applying here? AB the square is equal to AC the square plus BC the square. Am I right? So here, as I told you earlier, which the point A, whether it will come here as this vertex or it will be like appearing as this vertex or as this vertex, that all we don't know at present with respect to this given data. So in that case what we will do, we will just find out the side's length. And triangle means 3 lengths. 3 lengths we will be finding now. So A is equal to 3i minus 4j minus 4k. So B 2i minus j plus k. Let me check, is it minus j or plus? Okay, minus j. C, this is given as, okay, can anybody tell me here or tell yourself that how is going to be solved further? Mod A you have to find out. Am I right? That is length A, magnitude A. So how are you going to find out? Tell me. You will be considering the components, coefficients of I, J, K, X, Y, Z components, and with the sign you have to consider and square it, add it. 3 the square 9 minus 4 the square 16. This is 16. So it is equal to what? 32 plus 9. Okay. Next, Length B we will be finding. Length B 2 the square 4 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 6. Modulus C we will be finding length. This is like 1 square 1 9 plus 25. So 9 plus 1 10 10 plus 25 it is 35. Now with respect to these lengths, now we have to simplify further. What to do? This is like one side, one more side and the third side of the triangle. Whether root 6 square plus root 35 square, is it equal to root 41 square? That we will check. If it is equal to 41 square, then if at all we are going to check, means now only we will not check, okay? This we will do square and it is equal to 6 plus 35 and it is equal to 41. 41 is equal to square root of 41 bracket square. Okay, this is one more side. Square of the sum of the two sides is equal to, is it not? So what did you write here? Square of the two sides. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? 41. This is like 41, root 41 and this will be like root 6 and this will be like root 35. Now after getting the data, then only we can just mention in the right angle triangle which side is of what units, what length. Okay, this is how you have to perform in case if you are asked to prove that the given vectors are going to be the vertices representing the vertices of right angled triangle. Am I clear? Okay. Let me consider next question. Next question is find position vector. You know that position vector PQ means what? OQ minus OP. So the same way position vector joining the points P 2, 3, 4 and Q 4, 1 minus 2. This is 2. Okay, students. See, this is very objective kind question. Here you can make the difference by the point here from this data itself and you can make one result which is like position vector PQ. So the point P is with the components 2, 3, 4. This implies OP. OP is equal to what? 2I plus 3J plus 4K. So I will be attaching I, J, K to these points. Got it? Next, Q. Q the points are 4, 1 minus 2. So these will be like the components of I, J, K. So what I have to write? OQ. OQ is equal to 4I plus 1J or J you can write minus 2K. Okay, required. What is required? Position vector of PQ they are saying. Is it? PQ I will write. PQ is nothing but OQ minus OP. These are all vectors, please. Just go through. OQ minus OP means this is 4I OQ. Okay, let me write 4I plus 1J minus 2K. This is like OQ. Minus, what is OP? OP is 2I. 2I plus 3J plus 4K. Is it? If you write like this, no, it will be like wrong. Why is it wrong? You have to put all this data in parentheses. Then it will be correct. Okay. Now what we will do? We will just add add the like terms. Segregate the like terms. 4i, this is 2i with minus sign. 4 minus 2 is 2i. Okay. 1j, 3j with minus sign, minus 2j. Next, minus 2 minus of 4, this will be minus 6k. That's it. This is the position vector. So what can you do? You can just make the subtraction from here itself. 4 minus 2, that is 2i. Am I right? 1 minus 3 minus 2j. So minus 2 minus of 4, it is minus 6k. See, a very objective kind of question. Within one statement, you can get it solved. Am I right? So this is what position vector of PQ. Am I right? Okay, listen students. Next question is to find the unit vector of sum of the vectors. There are three vectors, vector A, vector B and vector C. So sum of these three vectors you have to find out first. Next you have to find out its a unit vector. Okay. It is not like finding unit vector of A separately, B separately, C separately. It is to find the sum of vectors. So first we will be finding the vector sum. You can observe here I and j, k is not given. So let me make its existence by writing coefficient as 0. Will this be okay? So let us make it in correct format so that we should not get a wrong simplification with the sum of the vectors. J minus k, j minus k, I is not given, so 0i you can say. Your choice, you can just go by direct simplification as well, no issues. C is equal to k, if you go by the pattern, it is only the k, I and j are not there. Okay, then what to do? You have to add this. Can we add directly? 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1i. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, that is 2j. Next, minus 1 plus 1, this is 0k. This is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So here, this is the sum of vectors. Okay. And what to do? Required is its unit vector. Required is unit vector. How to find unit vector? Do you know that? How to find unit vector? I plus 2j minus 0k divided by magnitude of this. Means length. Length, how are you going to find? 1 square, 2 square, 0 the square. So it will be 1i by 1 plus 4. That is root 5. Is it root 5 here? So I know, let me write it separately. That will be like a detail and complete. This will be like 2 by 4 plus, this is 5 only. So 2 by 5 j, next minus 0 into k. 0 by 5 is what? 0. So this is the unit. Got it students? Very simple, no? You have to add it up, get one new vector, its unit vector using the known formula. Right? Very simple. Okay. Let us take for the next question. Question is, find scalar and vector components. Vector components with initial point it is 2, 1 and terminal point. Terminal point means the last point. 2 points will be there. No, with the 2 points it makes one line, and a line with the direction. Its direction it will be like a vector. Okay, this is a point P. You can take this one will be like a Q. Your choice. P, Q. So here very simple question. Where to write the solution? Shall I write here itself? Within this we can finish it off. P. P is equal to OP. OP is equal to what? 2I plus 1j minus 0k. Because if it is IJK expression, only 2 are there. Third one is not existing. Means you can write this one with the 0 component, or you can just put as it is. No problem. Next, OQ. OQ position vector minus 5I plus 7j and 0k. Okay. What are they asking you now? PQ they are asking. With that the vector component, vector expression it will be. PQ means OQ minus OP. So minus 5 minus 2 minus 7I. 7 minus 1. So this is plus 7 minus 1 plus 6j and this is 0. So this is what vector expression. Because IJK are there not students, that's why. Now the scalar representation is what? Scalar means there should not be IJ expression. So only the coefficients I will be collecting. Minus 7 and this is nothing but 6 minus 7 comma 6. This is the answer. Is this clear? OP, OQ, PQ, that itself is a vector. Its components, if at all, are separated without IJ. If you write, then it will be like scalar. Got it? Fine. Let us move to the next question. Question is, write two different vectors. Say, write two different vectors. Different vectors having same magnitude. See, this is same magnitude, length you can say. How to find magnitude? You know that. What are they asking? You have to find out two different vectors. Where do you find same length? So in that case, you can give infinite number of answers. Pair of vectors you can be given in infinite ways. Solution is infinite. For a particular solution, I may just opt 1I plus 2j minus 2k. So this is one pair, one vector and one more. One more, what I will take? 2I minus j plus 2k I will take. So these will be like two different vectors which are giving what? Same magnitude. What will be the magnitude in this case, you tell me? So modulus magnitude is modulus of that vector. It is equal to square root of 1 plus 4 plus 4 minus of 2 the bracket square is plus 4. Is it? 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, root 9. It is equal to 3. And here in this case also you will be getting the same answer. Check. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 plus 4. 4, 4, 8 plus 1, that is root 9 and it is equal to 3. Check. Modulus, magnitude are same. Length are same. But the vectors are different. See, the I component is here is 1. But the I component in this second vector is 2. So like this, now n number of pair of vectors you can put to make the required case. What is required? Magnitude should be same. Okay. One more simple example. Write two different vectors. Write
different vectors. Having same direction. Having same direction. So the components must be proportional in this case, like that the vectors it should be. For example, in this case also you can put infinite number of solutions. For a particular, I will be collecting two different vectors in the same direction. They are saying same direction means what? I, j, k the components must be proportional. Okay. So one vector if I take 1i plus 1j plus 1k or ijk, and what I will do? I will just multiply this one by some constant. I will multiply by 2. 2 means multiply by this by 2 by 2 multiply by 2. So it is not like multiplying only this by 2. If you are taking a multiplier as a constant, no, constant you have to multiply to each and every component. Okay. So then only you will be getting one more vector which is going in the same direction. But the length are same, different. Direction is same. 1 into 2 I will take. 2i into 2. 2j into 2. 2k. So if your question is, Madam, can we take into 3? Yes, you can. 3i, 3j, 3k. 3i plus 3j plus 3k. You can just make the pair with that. So these are the two different vectors which are going in the same direction. See, plus plus ijk, plus plus ijk. Okay. Suppose or you can just go for not only this, I told you infinite number of solutions you will be getting. If I take 2i minus 3k, suppose this is one of the vectors and it's a pair, how are we going to form? Multiply by constant, anything like 10 you take the multiplier, 2 you take, 3 you take, 4 you take, no problem. If I multiply by 2, 4, what you get? 4i, 4 3s are 12k. This is one more vector which can be paired with. These two are in pair. These two are like pair which are going in the same direction. Okay, but magnitude are different. Direction they are asking, no? Same direction. Magnitude, let it be same, let it be different, anything, but directions are same. Got it? So this is one thing. You can just take any number, any kind of a vector, no problem. With the same components only you have to form the vector. It is not like that. You can take any of the components. Okay students, next question. Whether the vectors vectors 3i minus 3j minus 9k and 2i minus 2j plus 6k are, what is this? Collinear. Is it not? What do you mean by collinear? All the vectors lying on the same length, falling on the same line, and that is like a collinear. I told you, if this is one vector, let me make a gap and make more than one vector. See? So these are like collinear vectors. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vectors are collinear. Okay? Let me make you understand how to verify these are collinear. Whether means what? It can be, it may not be. Okay, maybe, may not be. Now what we have to do? 3 minus 3, okay, and minus 9. Components I have taken, A1, B1, C1. Next, divided by its components with the sign respectively. 2 minus 2 and here it is 6. I will not write equal to now itself because it may be equal, may not be equal. That only we have to check it up because the question is whether the points are collinear or not. Okay. Let us check for this. 3 by 2 cannot be cancelled further. That's why 3 by 2 itself. But here minus and minus can be cancelled and you will find the final answer as 3 by 2. Okay. Minus 9 and here it is plus 6. Check it here. 3 2s are 3 3s are minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Anywhere which is not equal kind, this is equal. But these are not equal, no? All three must be equal to each other. If this is not equal means one of the inequality holds means condition fails. So points or the vectors. Here vectors are given, no? Let it be vectors. If points are given, points are not coplanar. Vectors are not coplanar. Collinear. Not coplanar, collinear. What do you mean by coplanar? So there is difference between coplanarity and collinear. What do you mean by coplanar? All the vectors lying on the same plane is coplanar, but here they are asking about checking the vectors being collinear, not coplanar. Okay? So this is like collinear. No, whether the points are collinear? No, the points are not collinear because of this issue. Got it? Let me clear this one more. It is not attached to this concept. This is the final answer. Okay?
Okay. Students, we already had studied scalar product or dot product. Okay. What kind of simplification we are performing in this kind? Scalar product means one vector will be given in terms of ijk, another vector will be given in terms of ijk. Dot product means dot will put I to I will attach and we will be multiplying. So a1 into a2. I dot I is 1. I dot j, I dot k turns to 0. This already we had studied. Plus B1j, B2j. So dot product means j to j, B1 into B2, j dot j is 1 plus C1k and here C2k plus C1, C2. Is this correct? Okay. So this is said to be what? Dot product or scalar product. Now on this based on this, no, one example we are going to solve. But let me make you understand. If it is a dot a, no, we are just write a square, no, we write a into a is a square. The same way it is length a square, magnitude a square. Suppose if it is a dot b, what we do write, you know, length ab. Okay, with this we are having one question that let me write. Find the product of what? 3a minus 5b. This is 3a minus 5b dot 2a plus 7b. So dot product means, okay, those with respect to the vectors I just made you understand. Here the whole vector itself is given, not with ijk. A means in terms of ijk, b means in terms of ijk. A and b are the two vectors. Now what we will do? We will just multiply as usual. With the numbers, how do we multiply? No, the same way we are going to multiply here. 3a dot 2a. 3 into 2 is 6. A dot a is a square. I told you, no, this is how we are going to write. Got it? Next, minus, okay, one more multiplication that we will do with this is 7. 3 into 7 is plus 21. A dot b is a. minus 5 into b is minus 10a b. Why ab? Because dot product is commutative. Okay, next minus 5 into 7 35 b square. How are you going to write? Magnitude square. Okay, now we will be segregating the like terms. 6a square, this is only one term. What we find? So let it be as it is. Check with this, 21 ab and minus 30. Okay, this is different, no? I will put minus 35 b square. This is different. I will be grouping these two like terms. 21 plus 21 minus 10. This is plus 11 ab. 11, that magnitude looks the same, 11 ab. This is how we find the product. With the with the vectors, this is the thing. If vectors are given directly, a, b are the vectors, in that case, this is how we are going to make the multiplication. Got it? Is this simple? Okay. Let me give this kind of example. One example for homework. So, homework example. Find dot product of A and B. A is equal to 3, 4, 7 I, J, K. Okay. B 4, 9, 1, K, I, J. A dot B. Okay. Next, evaluate the product. Product of what? 2a minus 3b plus, let us take 3b plus 7a. Let me write in different order. B, A, B. You can take in any order. So this is what you have to find out. Product, dot product, dot. Okay? I think this is sufficient for today. We will be continuing in the next class. Again, few more examples we will be trying in the next class. Till then, take care.